Just want to catch you up on our progress for this weekend. Got the wiring ran through the dash, or through the firewall, up under the dash. We got the seat mounted, as you've seen in the video. Made a plate for the firewall where the heater control unit, or heater fan, ductwork went. Mounted the pedal, as you can see right there. You got the drive-by-wire pedal. You got the OBD2 connection under the dash. Mounted driver's seat and do a little fabricating there. Get that work. We're going to do some painting on the brackets and stuff later. Just wanted to get it in there, get an idea where it's set. We hung the fenders on the four-wheel drive. Fenders I wasn't going to use on the two-wheel drive. Got them hung on the four-wheel drive truck. Lighting sucks in here. It's pretty much where we're at. Like I said, I showed you most of that in the video there. This here is just a 5.7. Stock 5.7. We got a 6.1 intake sitting on it. That's what I'm going to mount to it next week. I'm going to try to get the fuel lines ran up to the front here. Get the bed put on. Get the fuel cell mounted. You can see right there is the fuel cell. 20-gallon fuel cell. I'm going to mount that in the bed. I picked that up off of Levi's Backyard Performance. His brother, Devin, sold me that. Got a fairly good price on it. I ain't complaining. I didn't have to drive very far. Levi's shop's real close to where mine is. So it was like a 10, wasn't even 10-minute drive. I think it's a total of 8 miles from here to there. But anyhow, once we get this thing fired up, we get our 500 subscribers, I have a couple ideas on the call outs I want to make. But I'm going to wait until the 500 subscribers. Wait till I hear this puppy fire up and know it's running. And then we'll make our call outs. Made a mess out of the shop. That's our biggest accomplishment. Tore the shop up. Daughter's a big hand. The last couple weekends, we've gotten quite a bit done. She's a go-getter. We're going to, like I said, next week we're going to get the fuel lines ran, try to get the intake mounted, bed mounted, fuel cell mounted, and we'll see you on that video. Until then,